Because oh my god, why would they build it like that? Why would they build it like that? I'm sick for every unboxing, I realize. I'm sick for every unboxing. But today's a special one because I just got a new PC. I don't know how I'm gonna film this, but we gonna get it done, and we gonna get it done quick because I'm sick. And I need to sit. I'm lightheaded from standing like this. I'm lightheaded. But here we go. This is this the PC right here. Forgive all the huffing and puffing. Forgive all the huffing and puffing. Like, y'all gonna have to deal with the huffing and puffing. I ain't been able to breathe through my nose all week. But I'm gonna do this unboxing for y'all because I love y'all for real. I love us for real. Let me get some water. Shout out Appa. He a real one for real too. All right, here we have it. This the PC. Is big. Is from Corsair. You can't see very much of it. I'm gonna lift it up and put it on the desk. Just give me a minute. Where am I looking? Where the camera? Hey y'all. It's like 9:30 at night. I had to get myself decompressed enough, and is that the word? I had to get it together before I filmed this. I also don't know if I have enough room on my desk for this PC. But after I film this unboxing, I am going to set up a dual PC thingamabob that the tech kids be doing. I'm gonna attempt that. All right, let me get this lifted up on the desk. Oh shit. So if you didn't know, how I film these unboxings is badly. So don't take this serious. Just know that I'm a girl who got some new shit, and I'm really trying to flex a little bit. That's all. I'm really trying to flex a little bit. That's all I'm trying to do. All right, with my box cutter. Don't ever trust a bitch with a box cutter. She bout that life. Do this have instructions on the best way to open this? This how the delivery man brought it. He brought it on the side like this. Yeah, the other camera a little up close. Just, I'm not a professional. I'm just a regular. I'm regular. A little bit of that red light district. What's crazy if the PC just fall out the box? If the PC just fall out the box, what we gonna do? Cry? Look at that. Can y'all see that? Can y'all even hear me while I'm talking myself? Can y'all see that? Can you hear me? Thank you for choosing Corsair Vengeance PC. You welcome. Y'all welcome. Thank you for sending my shit on time. We're finna do a flip. Y'all seeing a lot of my desk. I hate that. Okay, so it looked like I did it right. It's instructions. When I open the box, it's instructions. Can you see it? Hold on. Look at the instructions in that hole. Unpacking instructions. Remove power cord and Wi-Fi antennas from corner of box. Okay. This whole thing come out. Okay, oh, it's a little card. Can y'all even see that? I can't see what y'all can see. This is the antenna. This the antenna and the power cord. That's important. Really, we just gotta take this whole out. Okay. Come through Corsair. What is the top? That's the top. This the bottom, right? Okay. Ooh. This whole heavy. Okay. We're gonna set this right here. And this is a bunch of garbo. Okay. Ooh. This is exciting, y'all. Can y'all see that? Y'all see that? I know it's a red light special. I know it's a red light special. Y'all gonna have to deal with it. Y'all gonna have to deal with it. Hot diggity dog, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all see that? Oh Lord. Okay. We really got one of them. We really do. I wish I had a white light behind me. Not me out of focus, but I wish I had a white light behind me so y'all can see this. All I got is a red light. I could have swapped the light bulb out, huh? Give me a sec. I'm gonna swap the light bulb out. Hold on. Bitch, look at that. I got a whole new white light. Y'all don't have to do the red light stressing them on. That'd be like my hair light. Not that it's set up right, but that's what it's supposed to be. But here we are with better lights so y'all can see the PC. This is the Corsair Vengeance Frost i7400 or some shit, some numbers, something like that. If you go to the website, it's like the only white PC on there as of whatever day in April this is the only white PC on there. Okay, and I wanted to get white because it's the only I already got a lot of black in my room. I don't want a bunch of other black shit. So I got this one because it's clean and it's peaceful and it's white. Okay, what we supposed to do now? What's the rest of the instructions? I think it's this side. I ain't really sure what side to open. Well, I done opened a part of the computer. It is the wrong part. I was supposed to open the other side. So we gonna close this. Y'all looking at that? Look at that. It's pretty, ain't it? Look how pretty that is. I'm gonna close this back up and I'm gonna open the other side. Okay. Okay, that's the bag. This the bag. When I tell you I don't know shit about computers, people like, build your own PC. Fuck you, build it for me. Okay, there we go. There we go. Alright, and then now we gotta carefully remove the inner packing material, the inner guts of the packing material. This shit's scary. I'm finna go wake my husband up and make him do it. This is how scared I am. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Okay, hold on. It just say carefully remove. We did that and I'm fucking scared. I hope this shit work when I turn it on, because oh my god, why would they build it like that? Why would they build it like that? Okay, I'm done with that. Can that be recycled? Is that recyclable? This the inside of my shit, y'all. This the inside of my shit, y'all. Look at my new PC, y'all. Y'all see that shit? It's built good, y'all. It's built good, y'all. Now, as you can see, it's got I can't even remember what graphics card this is. This is a 4070. I think this is a 4070 Ti. You can see that all the shit is white. Everything is white on the inside. It's a liquid cool, and it's got a lot of fans on it. It's real nice. It's real nice. Like, I know a lot of people might be hating a little bit because I don't really play games like that on there, but I can now. Like, if I really wanted to play some shit, I probably could now. And I'm gonna try to do a dual PC setup, and y'all gonna see me really out here in the streets, especially when Outlast Trials come out. I'm gonna be on that shit on my new computer. All right, let me read some more of the instructions. I gotta put the antenna on. I gotta put the power cable on. Fuck. I gotta move my monitors around. I'm gonna probably quit recording for a second and get my monitors and stuff swapped around before I turn it on. I'm gonna at least turn it on so y'all can see the lights, but that's gonna take me a minute. But and then they said, all right. All right, hold on. Okay, it's been a couple weeks since I got this set up, but here is the finished product with it on and all the RGB going. It's nice and like purple and blue and shiny. I love it. Couldn't be happier.